Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum. Now the exterior color is a white platinum tri-coat metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.0 liter V6 power stroke engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front of this F-150 Platinum, we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We have our two tow hooks and our color match front bumper as well. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our hand-cooked tires. We also have our retractable running boards with our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and a dual panoramic sunroof on top. This Platinum also comes with tons of features, including blind spot information system detection, as well as command start and a power tailgate. At the rear, we have our parking sensors as well as our LED tail lights. We have our color match rear bumper as well as a Platinum and F-150 Ford badging. We have our reverse camera as well as a power tailgate, and inside the box we have our tie-down hooks and our LED box lighting. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. And we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch and our 5th wheel. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as ambient lighting, with our power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors. Now as we get into the cabin, we have a nice black interior with the leather seating, which includes a fully adjustable seat for the driver and passenger. As well as we have our LED lights under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial with our pull-on parking brake and foot pedal adjustment. And our fully telescopic steering wheel, we have our information trackpad, as well as our cruise control settings on the left. And over to the right, we have our entertainment and media controls with our hands-free voice activation. Now as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror, as well as our cabin lights, and a place for our sunglasses, as well as the dual panoramic sunroof. At our head unit, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, including a heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone and hands-free voice activation navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And down below we have our controls for our sync and our CD player, as well as our dual climate control area, which includes an air-conditioned and heated seat for the driver and passenger. And down below we have our dual smart charging USB ports, and over to the right we have our 12-volt and AC outlet. And down to the left we have our four-wheel drive engagement and our integrated trailer braking system. And at our center console we have our 10-speed sub-manual shift option, console shift, as well as our dual cup holders, and our center console with 2 more cup holders in the rear and tons of storage underneath. An awesome feature in the Platinum includes massaging seats for the driver and passenger. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage, ambient lighting, power windows, as well as storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And in the rear of the center console, we have a 12-volt adapter and 2 heated seats for the left and right side in the rear, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC outlet. We also have our ventilations for air conditioning or heating to keep air circulating in the rear. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom, as well as headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably, and when there's no passenger in the middle, we can fold down our centerpiece for arm support and 2 extra cup holders. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150 Platinum, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.